The night the desert devoured the eagle. Picture the scene. A pitch-black sky over Iran, a silent night broken only by the roar of massive American aircraft slicing through the darkness like ghosts. A secret mission called Operation Eagle Claw, elite forces trained for the harshest conditions, loaded with weapons and equipment, flying in to deliver a swift victory that would restore Washington's pride and free the hostages from the heart of Tehran. On paper, the plan was flawless: land in the desert, slip into the capital, storm the embassy, and return as heroes. But nature had prepared an ambush far more brutal than any enemy. Suddenly, a hellish sandstorm erupted. The desert rose like mountains of dust, swallowing the sky, blinding every eye. Visibility dropped to zero. Pilots fought to keep control. Helicopters swayed violently, like wounded beasts resisting the inevitable fall. Then chaos, alarms blared, voices screamed over the radios. A single moment of fate, a helicopter collides with a massive transport plane. The impact was catastrophic. A thunderous explosion tore through the desert night, flames erupted skyward like a dragon breathing fire. Shards of metal rained down, painting the darkness in crimson light. Soldiers ran through an inferno, trapped between walls of fire. Bodies were burned alive in seconds, cries of agony mixed with the roar of explosions. 8 men lay dead in the scorching sand, their faces turned to ash, their equipment charred, their helicopters reduced to twisted wreckage. As smoke billowed and the stench of burning fuel filled the air, the cruel truth became undeniable: the mission had collapsed before it even began. The American dream shattered in the desert. The sands were not a staging ground, they were a graveyard for ambition, power, and pride. That night, it was not Iran's Revolutionary Guard who claimed victory, but the desert itself, which swallowed the eagle's claw without a single shot fired. The camera pulls back slowly, leaving behind burning wrecks, fallen soldiers, and a humiliated superpower. This was not a daring rescue, it was a catastrophe carved into history. Forever remembered as Operation Eagle Claw, the mission that promised a legend, but became a nightmare.